Bienvenidos, pequeños exploradores y exploradoras. ¿Estáis listos para viajar en el tiempo? Hoy os llevaré a un lugar lleno de misterios, tesoros escondidos y grandes faraones. Get ready to know the ancient Egypt.
In this ancient world, pharaohs were the most powerful kings and queens. Its massive pyramids stand in the desert, hiding secrets that only the bravest explorers can uncover. But how can we uncover those secrets? Become an archaeologist. Archaeologists are like detectives from the past. They search for clues in the sand and discover ancient treasures. Today, I need you to help me solve great mysteries. Can you find the hidden secrets of ancient Egypt? Would you like to find an ancient golden scarab beetle? Or maybe find a pyramid hidden in the desert? With your own hands, you will search and discover amazing things. But it won't be easy. To unravel these mysteries, you'll need to learn the secret language of the pharaohs, hieroglyphics. Will you be able to decipher these symbols? In addition, you will be part of Egyptian royalty. You will create your own pharaoh crown and necklace. Imagine walking like an ancient Egyptian king or queen, surrounded by treasures. And for the bravest, there will be a secret mission. Only those who manage to solve the puzzles will be able to escape the Great Pyramid and claim the pharaoh's treasure. Ancient Egypt awaits you. The adventure is about to begin. Join us on this amazing adventure and discover the secrets of ancient Egypt. I can't wait anymore. Are you ready for adventure? Get ready to discover ancient Egypt, make great discoveries, and become a true explorer.
No olvides suscribirte si te ha gustado, darle like y activar la campanita para no perderte ninguno de nuestros vídeos.